Alright, so in this part, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your custom domain from Namecheap with your Shopify store. So go to online store domains and then type in your domain name. Then click on view Namecheap instructions. And over here, they're basically going to walk you through exactly what to do to connect your Namecheap domain with your Shopify store. If you follow the guides over there, I mean, I'll basically walk you through it, but we could do it together right now. So go into advanced DNS on Namecheap, change your A name record to what they recommend, click OK, and then also go back, copy the C name record, which is shops.myshopify.com. Go back and paste it in right there, click on OK, and then go back into Shopify and click on verify connection. And you're basically ready to go. Now sometimes it's not going to connect right away. This happens because there's a delay between Namecheap and Shopify. So if it doesn't connect right away, then give it maybe like 5 to 10 minutes and then try it again, and then it should work. So yeah, that's it for connecting the domain to your store. Let's move on to the next video.